Alright, so it's time to change some taillight bulbs on my 92. Some of the interior panels need to be removed. Most of the rear interior panels are held in with these plastic screws. Sometimes there are a few metal screws thrown in as well. The taillight lenses are held in by these plastic wing nuts. The taillight covers are either a pain to remove or pop right out. It really depends. The bulb sockets twist out when you push on a clip on the side of the assembly. The license plate lenses use a small torque bit to secure them. The socket then twists off. Now the lens can be removed. So these are the bulb types on my 1992 Camaro. I'm assuming that's the same for all 3rd gen Camaros, but I'm not 100% sure on the early 82 to 84 years. I've been using these bulbs for a long time, but I actually never made a video on it. A quick test to see if the bulbs work. LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, so they only work in one direction. As far as brands that I suggest, Diode Dynamics is the only US made LED bulb that I know of. I cleaned some dust from behind the taillight covers. Now to reinstall the lenses. The license plate bulb goes in first. The 3 main bulbs are then twisted back in. Then the side running light. Now to reinstall the lenses. The license plate light is put back into the lens. Then the lens is screwed back in. The taillights are then pushed back into the car. So these rubber seals tend to fall off, so make sure that you're not missing them. This is where they go. And again, a quick test of the bulbs. You want to catch any issues now and not later. The plastic wing nuts are tightened back down by hand. Then the interior is reinstalled. I have a bunch of videos on the interior install, so I'm not going to cover it here. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content.